you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I'm so excited to bring a new box to show you guys. That is WALTLIFE. Do you want to know what is inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my WALTLIFE box just arrived and I'm so excited to see what is in here because I absolutely love Disney. It brings back so many wonderful memories when I was a kid. Even in high school, me and 3 of my friends had season passes like for a whole year. And after school was over, we would leave and drive all the way to Anaheim and go to Disneyland. And sometimes when it was the shorter hours, there was only enough time for us to run in and get on one ride and then walk the shops and then come home. But we would do it all the time. So Disneyland in California has a special place to me because I would always go there. Wonderful, wonderful memories. And they're always so magical. And it's just a magical place. I have not been to Disney World yet, other than going through the parking lot once on accident, trying to go meet up with Abadabs that time. But I've never been to any of their parks yet. I'm gonna need to, but I'm so excited to bring this to my channel and show you guys a Disney box. Now, at first I thought this was just for kids, but they actually have different age groups for male or for female. So I keep seeing them popping up on my Facebook like ads. So I'm like, it's obviously it's meant to be to try this out to show you guys. So this came completely wrapped, like it was sealed, wrapped, but my label was underneath that. So to get this off, I had to remove the plastic so I can cut my label off. And then now we can see what's going to be inside. So it says, your WALTLIFE adventure begins. And they have several different sizes. Now, when I first bring a box to my channel, that's when I tell you all of the information first, and then I unbox it. And then after that, I just briefly say it at the very end in case anybody missed it or wants to know the pricing, that kind of thing. So WALTLIFE is an exclusive Disney fan club. And on the box, it does say that they're not really affiliated with the Walt Disney Company. So it's just Disney products, but it's not directly from actually Walt Disney Company. So this one is WALTLIFE, and it says, join the Walt family. The WALTLIFE fan club builds magical subscription boxes and delivers them to your doorstep every month. So going over the different subscriptions that they have to offer, they have a snack box, which is $69, and you get 5+ Disney park snacks. You have the skip a month feature option, Disney giveaways, and free US shipping. There's a magic box, which is $39. You get 4+ Disney mystery items. You can customize your box, skip a month feature, Disney giveaway entry, and free USA shipping. There's a classic box for $30 and you get 3+ Disney mystery items. You have the skip a month feature and free shipping to the United States. And then you have the Magic Plus box, which is $48. You get 1 Disney park item, 4 Disney mystery items. You can customize your box. Skip a month feature has the Disney giveaway entry and free US shipping. And then they have the biggest one, which is the Kingdom box. And I just had to get that one to show you guys. This one is $79. You get 3+ Disney park items, 3+ Disney mystery items. You get to customize your box, the skip a month feature, Disney giveaway entry, and free US shipping. They also have like authentic Disney pin collection subscription box. So there are several different ones to offer, different price points with different things that are going to be inside. So again, I wanted just to go big or go home. I went to the big one to show you guys. I might get a few more of these and then switch to a smaller version so you guys can see the difference. I don't know. Let me know once we get in this and see what's inside. So let's go ahead and dive in and open this. It looks like a little trunk, which is really cute. And it says, believe in magic. And then you open it up and then there is the top. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. And then here is some things right on top, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, they did send me an email right back after I subscribed. And another thing, once my box, like I literally paid for my subscription and the same day I got a shipping confirmation. I'm like, whoa. So I don't know when they usually send out their monthly subscription. Again, this is my very first one, but I got it. It shipped instantly, and 2 days later I have it. So it shipped so fast. And something that I've never seen before, when my email came that had my shipping information, there was actually like a little personalized video, and she's welcoming me to the Walt family, and it literally had my name on the board. And it's my name because my name is spelled very weird, not very weird, but my name is not the common spelling for Tracy. So it literally had my name on it. And I thought that was just the neatest thing. I've never seen that in any other subscription box, that they send you a video thanking you that's personalized with your own name on it. So I just wanted to throw that out there because it's something that I noticed and I thought that was extremely neat. So there's that. So then here's the letter right on top. Welcome to the WALTLIFE family. You just joined an exclusive Disney fan club that is here to send you all the Disney fun that you'll ever need. We are so excited to create special boxes every month filled with official licensed Disney and Disney Park goodies that are specially chosen with you in mind. We are excited to create your happy ever after. Get ready to love your box as much as we loved making it for you. And then handwritten says, "Hi Princess, my name is Sarah. I wanted to introduce myself as I am your personal Disney shopper. I hope you love your first box. Have a great week, Sarah." And I believe that is who actually sent me the video. And oh, here's a little picture of her gorgeous self with Mickey and Minnie as well. How cute. So you get a personalized letter, a personalized picture of who is actually putting your box together. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Again, something else that I've never seen in any other box. So right on top is these window decals. These are super cute. And you have like the mom and the dad and the kids. There's a cheerleader, there's a dog, there's a cat. And there's actually, it's double-sided. So you have two different sides. This actually has a price tag from the Disney parks that says $16.99. But there are the window decal stickers. I'm gonna try to move it around so my lights are not affecting it too much. But then here's like little babies down here. There's another cat and a dog. And then there's this side. So you have small babies, and then you have like teenage kids, and then the adults, and then some animals. That is super cute. I mean, I have a very small family, me, my man, and our dog. So I could always use just these two and the dog and put on my car. I think that is super cute though. I've always wanted the ones that are Nightmare Before Christmas, and now that I have my Cricut, I can make them myself. So I was gonna do the Nightmare Before Christmas, have Jack, Sally, and a zero for my car because I love Nightmare Before Christmas, but I guess I could always go ahead and just use these. They're already done and I don't have to make them. So that is really cute that it gives you all of those different ones, and you can have your little Disney family on there. I will have them all linked down below if you would like to follow that link and check their site out, but they also do sell one-time boxes. I forgot to mention that, I'm so sorry. They are a little bit more, I think they're like $5 or $10 more per box, but it's a one-time, no commitment box. And they also have like a surprise bag for the pins. That's what I was talking about earlier. I got sidetracked. When I first got the email, that's what I was saying. I am so sorry. When I first got the email, they did send me a thing saying, here's your order. And on that, it said, you do have a chance to pay $10 for a pin that'll be sent to you, and it'll only be in your first month's box. So I don't know how much the pins are normally, but I guess it sounds like it's an exclusive offer, a one-time thing. So I'm like, sure, let's go ahead and do it. It's only in my first box. We'll pay the extra $10 so we can see what it is. And that came in a separate envelope, which came in this box. So this is the extra $10 pin that I got. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it's Mickey and Minnie. So there's actually two different pins on here. Those are super cute. And then the back just has the back of the pins. That is just so cute. This one doesn't have a price on it, but it does say Disney Parks. And there's just the two different pins. So I got that again for an extra $10. So that's not included in this box, but it was an extra. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what is all going to be in this box. Now, they do have on their site where you can see past boxes. And I think like last October, there was a lot of stuff in there that had Little Mermaid, and oh my gosh, I love Little Mermaid. So hopefully they do another one that looks like that while I'm still getting this box. So right on top is going to be a patch set. These are patches, like iron-on patches. This says Disney Parks $12.99. So you have the hand, you have just the Mickey head, one little shoe, and then his trousers, his shorts, whatever you want to call them, his pants, his outfit. And again, it says $12.99 on the back of this guy. So then now we have, okay, here's a necklace from Mulan. So one-piece necklace. One-piece necklace. This actually looks like it's from a company called Neon Tuesday. But it is a Disney Mulan necklace. So there's that. Then we have is Disney earring set. This is also Mulan, same company. This is Neon Tuesday because it says Neon Tuesday right there. And here is the different earring set. Again, this is all Mulan. Okay, so the next thing in here is a Disney Parks collection. This is a pin that is Maleficent. That is super, super pretty. I like those colors. And then there's the back. That is too cute. I like this. That is really pretty. I like those colors, like it looks like there's like a little bit of lavender and mauve with a little gray. That is super pretty. So I really like that. Now we have, so there's two different, these are postcards. They're from Toy Story 3. So here's the first postcard. And then here is the second postcard. There's that. Now we have is WALTLIFE, an exclusive Disney fan club. This looks like it's a bookmarker. So that's what I read. And then that's what's on the front. So a bookmarker. What is this? It says WALTLIFE treasure coin. Collect all 8 WALTLIFE coins and win a trip to Disney World. Huh. So I wonder, this has a T, maybe it spells out WALTLIFE, and if you get them all, you can win a trip for 2 to Disney World. Hey, let's see how many boxes I get, because then maybe I can actually go to Disney World and not have to pay for it. That would be awesome. All right, let's see. It looks like, we have one more item, and oh my gosh, these are so cute. Let me take the plastic off of these. This is super cute. Okay, this is too cute. And it says Disney on the front. I can take this part off. Let me cut this off because I'm definitely keeping these. Hey, when I do go to Disney, they already have me covered. I got my ears. Look how cute. And these are like the iridescent. They change. So you can do all silver if you would like, or you can do the color, which the color is really beautiful. It reminds me of like a little mermaid. And then it has the lavender bow. These are so cute. I'm gonna cut this tag off here. Okay, so here we go, you guys. So now you can see like it has the pink iridescent that turns into the teal blue. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look how cute those are. Oh my goodness. I'm loving my new ears, you guys. Yes, and that is everything that is inside the box. How freaking cute is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so a little recap. We have these amazing ears, and I know these have got to be like not very cheap because anything Disney is not cheap. So we have the ears. We have a number that we could quite possibly get a free trip for 2. We have 2 different Mulan products. We have a necklace with the earrings. We have a bookmarker, 2 postcards. We have this really beautiful pin. And then we have the patches and the window stickers. So that is everything everything that came in this WALTLIFE box. Again, this is the larger one. This is the more expensive one. Again, I wanted to try to get this like a few times so we can see what would be in it. Then I could always change to a smaller one so then we can see what the real difference would be. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Do you want me to keep this on my channel for a while? What do you think? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys have noticed, I do have something going on. I haven't put nails on my hands in years, so you guys have never seen me with actually acrylic nails. I went yesterday after work because I just felt like doing it. One thing with my job, it's kind of hard to have them. I work in a locksmith industry, if you don't know. And the last time I had them on, one of them kind of like sucked into the machine. Like it pulled my hand in because it got caught by it, like the blade that cuts the keys. And I really thought my whole finger was gonna get stuck into the machine and I was gonna lose a finger. So I immediately did them all off and I'm like, nope, ain't happening. So now I don't have to use the machine as much. I still do cut keys, obviously, but just recently it hasn't been as much as I normally do. So I thought maybe I could get away with trying them again. And I wanted to do a galaxy, but of course he didn't have the machine. So he conned me into doing, well, he didn't con me into it. I just agreed. I gave in to doing a cat eye. So they're like a blue, but then they turn, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to, okay, see now they're like purple. They turn purple to blue to green. And I think they're super pretty. I normally just see like this dark green, which I think is really pretty for, what's coming up? St. Patrick's Day. So they're kind of festive for the holiday. I just do not like how he made this one completely all black. I did want the butterflies. So he put the butterflies, but I don't really like the gold, the orange that's in there with the black background. To me, that kind of reminds me of Halloween, which is no longer. And then like some of it you can kind of see through. My nail looks very like thinner in some spots. So I'm like, why did he leave them black? I thought it was going to be the complete cat eye and then the butterflies on top. That's what I agreed to, but that's not what I got. So I don't know if I'm going to keep these on long enough to get a fill. The last time I didn't. But if I do, then I will definitely have him do something different with this finger because I'm not liking that finger at all. And I want to try a different color cat eye where it's not so green because all I'm seeing is green. And green is like my least favorite color almost. The purple and blue is just so pretty though. I just think that it's so neat how they adjust and they change colors. They're just really neat. I've never seen that before. And it was with a magnet. He uses a magnet and it all like, I don't know, it's really weird. New experience for me, let me tell you. So there's that. Oh, and some of you guys wanted to see everything that I've done to this now, because now this is pretty much complete. So the other day I had him do around my elbow and then he kind of made this black go down a little bit because this is a cover up. This actually was this on this side. So this all black in here is actually a cover up. And I had him bring it down a little bit to make a little bit more sense so it just didn't look like a black blob on my wrist. And then had him add some blue right here because there was nothing right here before. And then he filled in all right here. I have an avocado put in right here for, that's kind of like a memorial. And then he went all underneath my arm and that part hurt the worst. And then he filled in this butterfly and all in here and under here. And yeah, so he basically filled everything in and now it's all pretty much complete. So I know you guys have been wanting to see the new edition, so there you go. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this and just listening to me ramble a lot in this video, but you know, I talk. So again, comment down below, let me know what you thought of this box, and until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.